a.m.? Shut the fuck up. It's coffee. Open, dick. I mean, I get this is Miami and people sleep in a little, but how is there not one coffee house that is open? This is ridiculous. This is crazy. 300 South Escape. That can't be true. That can't be true.
You're so fucking stupid.
I lose my keys and I
Zeus.